At present, the most serious crisis the people facing is the pollution during the mining and smelting of petroleum. The earth we lived in is scarred by using petrochemicals widely in our production and life. SOBEK, clean compressed air system supplier, to provide customers with high-quality equipment, help partners to produce high-quality, low-pollution products is our policy. Fifth-generation water-lubricating oil-free screw air compressor of SOBEK is famous in the same industry for its all-stainless steel air end and advanced intelligent system. After filtration by air filter element, the air entered the air end. The mixture of water and air is compressed in the air end. The compressed water-air mixture entered the water-air separator. After physical separation, the clean compressed air discharged from the minimum pressure valve. The water left in the separator is cooled, water cooler or air cooler. Filtered impurities and bacteria by water filter, then enter the air end for recycling. SOBEK research and develop new stainless steel air end. The air ends integrate the new science design. Integrate the waterway and gasway. Simplify pipeline, which minus much failure point. The new dynamic fluid suspension design reduce the wear between the main rotor and the deputy rotor, delay working life of rotor, decrease energy consumption. Comparing with the traditional dry oil-free screw compressor, the average energy saving about 15%. Absolute oil-free guarantee. There is no lubricating oil in the system of SOBEK water lubricating oil-free screw air compressor. The compressed air without any pollution. Of course, without pollution discharged. Its daily maintenance only need to replace water filter element and air filter element. Close to isothermal compression. Less water content in the compressed air discharged. SOBEK is the first company in the water lubricating oil-free compressor industry to pass ISO 8573 TUV Class 0 certificate. All products of SOBEK passed TUV Class 0 certificate. The permanent magnetic synchronous motor used can save energy consumption 6% to 8%, comparing with the ordinary motor. SOBEK water lubricating oil-free screw air compressor. You can choose to install remote object connecting service, remote control, remote warning, remote diagnosis. SOBEK water lubricating oil-free screw air compressor is used widely in pharmaceutical, medical, food, electronics, military, metallurgy, and other industries. SOBEK leads the future with prospective technology.